Hi guys, this is my version 2 of the watch that I built uh, maybe 6 or 7 months ago. This is called mutantW or mutant watch. This is the version 2 of it. Uh, it's really easy to build and it uses fairly less component that you might see other watches use, that you can of course DIY build. And if you want to build this watch, I have a link below the video, so you can follow the guide, source your own component to build it. So on the bill of material you might see there is glass that will go on top of the watch like this, and this watch glass that I used here, you can buy it from AliExpress. It's cheap, it's also tempered glass I think, but this limits the customization of my watch because I need to maintain the height and width of this watch body, so I can fit this glass on top of this watch. So I wanted to search for alternatives, so I don't have to rely on any part that might not be available in future, or I also wanted to do more customization on the watch body.
Today's sponsor is PCBway. They have PCB printing services starting from $5. You can order 10 PCBs in 9 different colors here. They also have 3D printing service which is very reasonable. Go to the third section of the website and click 3D printing service and add your own STL file. Choose materials and other features and get a price. Check out their 3D printing service and PCB printing service from the video description below.
So I found out this SLA resin printed plastic. This is actually plastic and it's transparent. You can read the text easily here. This I got printed from PCBway. They have a printing service, as you might know, and they also have this glass as a material. So this gives me the possibility to customization on the watch body. If I put it here, this is good fit, and also you can read the text or the graphics that will show up here. See, it's a really good alternative for this tempered glass that you can buy from the AliExpress, but as well as this might not be available in the market maybe after 2 years. Then if you broke your glass, then you might not able to fix your mutantW. And the project's motto is you can always replace or repair anything on this device. So having this customizability from resin printed glass or the glass alternative that give you the all the features that this glass will give you, and you can also have it made anytime. You don't have to worry about this glass getting out of market or you can't able to buy it after 2 years or 3 years. So that was my main motivation to search for an alternative, and this glass alternative or the resin printed, it's really durable. It's just a plastic, so if you drop it from a height, I don't think it will break like this glass. So there is a slight con that it might get scratched easily. So what I was thinking is using this screen protector that I got from this that I got when I bought this glass, and use this same screen protector on top of this glass. That way it won't get scratched easily. So this manufacturing process might be a great use case for your project also. You can design this 3D model of this glass shape, then send it to PCBway, then they can just print it for you. Then you can use this glass alternative with more customization and use it on your project. This is also cheap. I have 5 of them printed from PCBway. I believe it cost around $5 or 6, and you can get this in this wrap so it won't get scratched easily when it's transported. And yes, this is working really well. In future I was thinking using this same material or 3D printing service to also print the watch body and the dock, so it will look really nice. You can see the internals. So I wanted to let you know guys that there is a great alternative if you wanted to use glass on your project but you don't want to pay a huge amount of money to have a customization on that glass. So you just make your own 3D model, send it to PCBway, then you can have your own glass alternative. Thanks for watching.